Welcome back guys to another video. We are just driving down to the other farm now to go and clean the 245. So just driving down there now. So yeah, this is a video on Christmas run, so it'll be quite exciting. Hopefully meet a few people, and yeah, so stay tuned. So guys, this is what we're taking. Hopefully you can hear me. We got 245. So yeah, we're just opening the gates for the other farm. Yeah, we're here now. So yeah, this is we're taking a 245 T7 and a T7 210. So yeah, should be a bit of fun hopefully. So yeah, Dad's just opening the gates over there. So yeah, we're gonna wash this now and then put some load of lights on it, and then the other one's already dressed up. So yeah, we've just got to do this one. Mum's driving this one, Dad's driving the other one, so yeah, should be a bit of fun. So I am just moving the tractor now. In the New Holland. We're going to blow the tyres up, make sure the pressures are right in them, and then put some lights on it, and then go and grab the T7 from the other farm, up the top of the farm, and then that should be good. So we tried to keep all of our tractors nice and safe, by the one where the one farm is, someone lives there, so that's fine. Then the other one, that's where we live, and then this one's just hasn't got any houses or anything, so we'd have to keep the tractor safe. So we're just going to blow it up with the PSI now, and we get some lights on it. So yeah. So we are in convoy now. A tree came down here the other day, so that's why there's a few ruts about. So yeah, we are going down to the other yard now. So the two farms are on like the same land basically. There's one at the top and one at the bottom, and so we're just fetching the other tractor from the top, and then Mum's going to come down and put some lights on this tractor because that tractor's already decorated. So yeah, that one's a 210 67 plate, twin beacons, pretty top spec, that auto command, whereas this one's the old style power command, basic spool valves. Now this is more of a basic tractor. So yeah. So guys, we are ready to go. It's about half an hour until we set off. We're just in the auto command. So lights are all up. There we're on. In front's all done. I'll quickly show you that now. So yeah. It's about 10 miles to brighnorth. So yeah. So this is Mum's. So she's dressed it up very nicely with a bow and things on top. She's got a couple of bows on the front, and then some nice pink lights, which I will turn on for you now. Just quickly turn them all on for you. Alright, jump in the old girl. Hop aboard the princess. Right, stick this in. They're gonna kick in. Yeah, they are. Right, I'll show you now. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, they look pretty good. Quite like them. They're pink and white, and they look better in the dark. So yeah, and then ours are blue. Just plug mine in as well. Seems to be a taller tractor, the other one does. This seems to do the smaller one. Turn it on. See if they kick in. Yep, they're in now. So you can change, I think there's 10 different modes on this. See, ours is blue. And we've got three bows on us. So yeah, that's all of them there. So yeah. This is Ollie. And this is Sam. Oh yeah, this is nice to be fair.
650.
Who is it?
No, 650.
Nah, that's nice that is.
£20.
We got potato merchant.
Oh, what? That's such a nice one.
That is to be fair, innit?
That's a nice
Oh, I got the old Merc.
Sorry.
Nah, mate. Mine would sell way better. Mine was it. All the tractors would blow over. Oh, there's a Volvo over there.
Oh, you got your jump start now?
Oh yeah, this is the best one at the back. No, yeah, that's a Collins digger.
Yeah.
Mate, that is the best tractor. That is the best tractor around, mate. There's Chandler's over there. That's Collins, that is. No, Sam's.
Yeah.
Sam Taylor's.
Yeah, because Ben one's tall.
Mine's all the way at the front.
All the way at the front?
Yeah, he brought this box for 300 quid. Pretty cheap, isn't it? No. Whose is a 6810? That's real nice. Oh, it's Luke Wardren's it? I think it is. 255, that's not mine. Mine's down there. 9, what's that? 939?
Whoever's on that paper round.
Oh no, 250. Isn't this? Yeah, this is Martin Timmerton's eyes. This is Chad's. That's mine and that's mine. Mate, my mum had to dress it up with pink lights.
Yeah,
look.
it's nice. I saw it.
And this is mine. I'm driving this one. I'm not driving this one. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Oh, that's better. Mate, that looks good.
Cue the farmer.
Mate, gotta get the Cue the Farmer.
Well,
Huh?
unfortunately, mate.
No, don't get the Fulton Ollie in. Nah, he looks too young to be in that tractor.
You don't have
Mate, rolling New Holland in here, mate. Oh, TH White's. It's TH White's, isn't it?
Move you, boy.
British High Street, what a turn out here. What a
Oh
turn
no,
out.
look at that. There's loads of folks here.
Hundreds, hundreds.
Yeah. Well, they've put some effort into that.
Serious.
Oh look, they're up there. Look at that, loads of them. All up to the main road. So yeah, we just left Alvely, just coming out of there, and then we're just on the back roads now, and then we're going to jump on the main road again, and then yeah, through Shatterford, and then along and down. So we're all back now. Just wanted to come under the light so you see me. So yeah, we have done the run. I think they were expecting 200 tractors, but in the next video maybe I will tell you, or I might write in the title maybe, and I'll find out. And so yeah, a brilliant cause, obviously all for charity, and 31 mile round trip, so fair way. So yeah, and it's all for a good cause and makes people's days. Like tonight it's made my night, and it's made everyone else's night, going around with lights on and tractors. So guys, I just wanted to finish the video off for you. Now, it's a very brilliant tractor run. Highly recommend it if anyone hasn't gone yet. And there was 210 vehicles, so there was 197 tractors, and the rest were lorries, and some of them were Land Rovers. And the total amount they raised was £18,545 and 4p. So absolutely amazing, all going to charity. I don't know what charity it's going to actually. Maybe I'll put that in the next video. But yeah, it's been one good year. Hopefully I've churned out some good content for you guys. Hopefully get some good content now. I've got my new phone, I can edit it on here. I've got my GoPro. New GoPro, so yeah, hopefully get some good content for you. And yeah, that's it from us. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We will see you in the next video. So the next video will be Sunday. Hopefully I haven't got a video of yet, but I don't think I'll get a video out, but I'll try to anyway, because obviously the farm's not very busy now. There's only like food routines, that was about it, like milling corn, and everyone's always seen that. So you know, videos of Sunday midday, and that is from me and the farm, and I'll see you in 2024.